Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So we are solving the questions from trigonometric ratio. Actually in my previous video I have told that we are solving trigonometric identities, but not from trigonometric identities. We are solving questions from trigonometric ratios. Okay, exercise 5 of obviously RS Agarwal math book, RS Agarwal math book of class 10. So let's come to the solution of question number 17. Now question number 17, in the triangle is given here, the triangle ABC, right angle at B. This is right angle at B. Given that AB is equal to 12, BC is equal to 5, we have to find cos A, cosec A, cosec C and cosec C and cos C. Okay, so here comes the picture. This is the picture. This is 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, now first we have to find cos A. Cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse we don't know, so we have to find AC, that is AB by AC. Cos A is equal to AB by AC. Now AC is equal to root over of AB square plus BC square. Okay, so that means 12 square plus 5 square, that means 144 plus 25, that's equal to 169, so that's equals to 13. So cos A is equal to AB by AC. AB means 12, AC means 13. So cos A is equal to 12 by 13. Next, cosec A. Now cos A is equal to this, obviously sin A is equal to, we are just solving directly, cosec A is equal to base by hypotenuse by height. Okay, so hypotenuse is equal to 13 centimeter, so 13 by 5, this is cosec A. Okay, next cos C. Okay, so cos C means this angle. So in that case the base is 5 and height is 12, so cos C is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is 5 by 13. This is cos C, and cosec C is equal to hypotenuse by height, that is 13 by 12. Okay, so these are the values. Next, move to another question, and we are doing, again I am telling you, exercise 5, not trigonometric identity, this is trigonometric ratio. Okay, so next come to another question number 18. Now here comes the triangle 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, this is B, this is C, this is A. Okay, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. AC is equal to root over of 24 centimeter square, 7 centimeter square. Okay, 24 means 24 into 24, 576. So 576 plus 49, so that's equals to root over of, this is 625, 625, that root over of 625 means 25. So AC is equal to 25 centimeter. So I am writing here 25 centimeter. Okay. Sin A means taking this angle. So in this case, if we take this angle, so sin A is equal to base by height by hypotenuse. So in that case, height should be 7 centimeter, hypotenuse 25. So 7 by 25. This is sin A. Okay. Cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is 24 by 25. Next, sin C. This is sin C. So that's equal, sin C is equal to height by hypotenuse, that is 24 by 25, and cos C that's equals to obviously base by hypotenuse, that is 7 by 25. Okay, hope you are able to understood. Next, move to question number 19. Question number 19. Now it is given that question number 19, you can see it easily. This is question number 19. Question number 9, it is given that in triangle ABC, this is right angle, and angle A is equal to theta, BC is equal to 21 unit, AB is equal to 29 unit, so that this is equal to 1 and this is equal to 41 by 841. Okay. So here this is angle C, this is theta, this is angle A, this is B, this is C. Okay, this is 29 unit, 29 unit it is given. This is 21 unit, 21 units. Now here first you have to show that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. For that, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is 21 by 29. Now we have to find AC. AC is equal to root under of 29 square minus 21 square. Okay. So if we do the calculation, 29 plus 21, 29 minus 21. Okay, that's equals to root under of 50 into 8. So means 400 means 20 unit. Okay, so this is equal to 20 units. Okay, now so cos theta is equal to 21 by 29. Obviously, sin theta is equal to 20 by 29. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta, that means 21 by 29 whole square plus 20 by 29 whole square. Now taking 1 by 29 whole square common, we are getting 21 square plus 20 square. Now from here, this is right angle triangle, so hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So that's implying this is 29 square by 29 square. Okay, that's equals to 1. So proved. So first inequality is proved. second we have to prove again. This is the first condition. Next, second condition I am doing here, that cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 41 by 841. So this is second question, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now cos square theta, that means 21 by 29 square minus sin square theta 20 by 29 square. Okay, so if we do the calculations over here, this is 1 by 29 square taking common. Now here if we do the calculations, 21 plus 20, 21 minus 20, so this is equals to 41 by 441. Proved. Okay. So that's it for the rest of the questions of trigonometric ratios. Next in our next video we will start of trigonometric chapter from CBSE mathematics. We will definitely start trigonometric ratio of particular angles, these questions also, and after that we will start the trigonometric identities. So this is all about the exercise 5, EX5. Okay, so that's it. Okay, thank you, and please do subscribe the channel.